According to body mass index, the cutoff for obesity is A 25 kg per meter squared, B 30 kg per meter squared, C 35 kg per meter squared, D 40 kg per meter squared. Correct answer B 30 kg per meter squared. The international classification of adult underweight, overweight and obesity according to BMI is as follows. Underweight less than 18.5. Normal range 18.5 to 24.99. Overweight more than or equal to 25. Pre-obese 25 to 29.99. Obese more than or equal to 30. Obese class 1 30 to 34.99. Obese class 2 35 to 39.99. Obese class 3 more than or equal to 40. All of the following are seen in hyperkalemia except A. PR interval prolongation, B. Tall tended T waves, C. Diminished P wave amplitude, D. Narrow QRS complex. Correct answer D. Narrow QRS complex. QRS widening is a feature of severe hyperkalemia in such a way that QRS complex merges with the T wave to produce the sine wave pattern. Diminished P wave amplitude and atrial paralysis in hyperkalemia leads to sinoventricular conduction. It is mentioned that sinoventricular conduction can be differentiated from junctional and ventricular rhythms by the presence of respiratory variation in cycle length, sinus arrhythmia, which will not be seen in the latter two conditions. Which of the following is not true about apixaban? A. Glycoprotein 2B3A blocker, B. Orally active, C. Monoclonal, D. Was used as an adjunct in PCI. Correct answer B. Orally active. Apixaban is an intravenous glycoprotein 2B3A blocker which is a monoclonal antibody useful as an adjunct in percutaneous coronary intervention when there is a thrombus load in the coronary artery. Glycoprotein 2B3A receptor is the final common pathway for platelet. Gross enlargement of cardiac shadow on chest X-ray is unlikely in A. Tetralogy of Fallot, B. Pericardial effusion, C. Multivalvular heart disease, D. Epstein's anomaly of tricuspid valve. Correct answer A. Tetralogy of Fallot. Gross enlargement of the cardiac celote is unlikely in tetralogy of Fallot as there is no dilatation of cardiac chambers in this condition, though the right ventricle is hypertrophied. In pericardial effusion and posterior mediastinal tumor, though the cardiac size itself is not enlarged, the shadow on chest X-ray can be large, mimicking cardiomegaly. In Epstein's anomaly of tricuspid valve, a large right atrium along with atrialized portion of the right ventricle produces the enlargement in cardiac celote. Coarctation of aorta is associated with all except A. Endocardial fibroelastosis, B. Mycotic aneurysm, C. Aortic dissection, D. Bicuspid aortic valve. Correct answer B. Mycotic aneurysm. Mycotic aneurysm is seen in infective endocarditis. All other conditions have been reported in association with coarctation of aorta. Berry aneurysms can occur in about a tenth of patients with coarctation of aorta. High right ventricular pressure is found in A. Epstein's anomaly of the tricuspid valve, B. Isolated right ventricular endomyocardial fibrosis, C. Pulmonary atresia with intact interventricular septum, D. Wolff's anomaly. Correct answer C. Pulmonary atresia with intact interventricular septum. Wolff's anomaly is otherwise known as Parchment right ventricle. Natural prothrombotic is A. Thrombospondin, B. Thrombomodulin, C. Plasminogen activator inhibitor, D. Protein C. Correct answer C. Plasminogen activator inhibitor. Thrombospondins are proteins with anti-angiogenic properties. Thrombomodulin is a cofactor in the thrombin-induced activation of protein C, which is a natural anticoagulant. Pulsus paradoxus may be seen in all except A. Obesity, B. Pregnancy, C. Aortic regurgitation, D. Cardiac tamponade. Correct answer C. Aortic regurgitation. Pulsus paradoxus is an important finding in cardiac tamponade. It can also occur in chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. It is rare in constrictive pericarditis. It may also be observed rarely in pulmonary embolism, marked obesity, pregnancy, and partial obstruction of the superior vena cava. On the other hand, in those with aortic regurgitation and atrial septal defect, pulsus paradoxus may not occur even if there is associated cardiac tamponade. Reverse pulsus paradoxus or inspiratory rise of arterial pressure may be noted in hypertrophic cardiomyopathy, intermittent positive pressure ventilation, and isorhythmic AV dissociation. Central cyanosis can be manifested in all except A. Reduced hemoglobin more than 5 gram percent, B. Sulfhemoglobin more than 0.5 gram percent, C. Reduced hemoglobin 2 gram percent, D. Oxygen saturation below 85%. Correct answer C. Reduced hemoglobin 2 gram percent. In general, cyanosis becomes apparent when the deoxyhemoglobin content in capillary blood becomes 4 to 6 gram percent. Cyanosis is detectable with methemoglobin levels 1.5% and sulfhemoglobin levels of 0.5 gram percent.
Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for future updates and click on the bell icon for all updates. Thank you.